Hi, this is Lee's Thoughts, and here's another product that a vendor sent to me for review, and this is a paid review. It's a 4K Wi-Fi dash cam. There's a sticker to stick it to my window, and here's the dash cam itself. It's very small. It's a mini. But you know, it feels heavy. It feels well built in my hand. Very nice, sleek. And there's the on button. And then under here we have all the paraphernalia to hook it up to the car. Very nice. So let's go out to the car. And, well, let's clean the windshield off, get it all ready to go. And then we're just going to stick the sticker on the windshield because the dash cam itself sticks to the sticker. All right. And then what's next? We just have to hook up the power cord to the dash cam itself into the C port on the dash cam. Right there. Right in the end there. Right there. Plug it in there, and then just make sure it plugs into your cigarette lighter. Make sure the green light turns on. Then what's left is just to follow the instructions, hook it up to the Wi-Fi of the camera, stick it up on your window. There's me on the app itself. There is it stuck in the window. This thing is fantastic. I would run, not walk, go out and get one of these things. Here is a picture of the dash cam picture on the app.